The AutoDAB RF range offers any vehicle a huge amount of DAB radio stations through their FM radio via a fully integrated solution. The AutoDAB RF includes the all-important interface, which is controlled via a remote frequency controller. With the AutoDAB RF fully installed and your radio tuned to 87.8 MHz, you can take advantage of a wide selection of stations within your area. Using the remote control, you are able to scroll through stations either in an alphabetical list mode or through hand-selected presets. Receive station information directly to your stereo screen while streaming audio in real time, and keep your car looking the same as the day it left the factory with our AutoDAB RF. Head on over to AutoDAB.com for more product information, or contact us today using the following details.